Hi guys, welcome back. Quick update. I'm working on my BMW E30. So I'm gonna install mtech2 the PU bumper, which I bought from Mr. Bodykits in Australia. So I'm really happy with the quality. Really good with the quality. And really nice finish. Even the before the paint job. So this is without the paint. This is just a PU plastic, so very flexible, which is good. So just a quick things that what you need to do to install this one on either your Series 1 or Series 2. So this is my car is a Series 2 E30. So what you need to do, you just need to take the bumper bar off, and this is what the reinforced bar out of your standard bumper. So you need to take this off, and pretty much you're gonna mount this back into the car with the bolts, and these are the bumper mounts going into the car. So I'm going to install them back. So and what you do is actually you need to put this bumper on top of this. So this goes like that. So once it is installed, it's actually very good fitting. So I can, once you get into it, you can do it. So what you just need to do, I need both hands to properly put it in, and that's pretty much it. So I'm actually a bit confused what we have to do with this one. So I just put the number plate mount brackets here. So, and I think this one goes like this, like that. And also they sent me three screws and a drill bit. So what you do is actually over here you drill 3 holes into your reinforced bar and put these screws on. So the side locks goes into the lower part of the bumper, and this is where you mount your number plate. So if you got any confusion when you got the parcel, just have a look into this web video so you can get a quick understanding how you should do it. All right, I had this bit difficult when I initially got it, whether I need to use this reinforced bar or just the bumper skin goes onto the car. So and then I figure out this goes well, because otherwise the indicator lamps won't be able to mount into the plastic bumper. Thank you. Good day. Bye.